I'm going to show you guys how to provide some basic maintenance on your S18 Electric Unicycle. So obviously, the most basic thing is ensuring your suspension is properly inflated, checking for tire pressure as well. And then when it comes to maintaining your S18, you'll want to take something like this, a microfiber cloth, and you'll want to remove the excess dirt that's on the suspension, as well as these stanchions right here. So make sure the dirt is off, and then you can apply some WD-40 just for cleaning. And then again, taking off any dirt on the back. And I actually have two products here. So this is a finish line stanchion. So this is rubber ring friendly lubricant. It's an oil based. So you can just drip it. You can just drip it on here. And you can just make sure it's covering the entire tube. Obviously do that for both. And you can use that for the back of the suspension as well. Now, another option is using a grease lubricant. Now, grease will last longer, but it soaks up more dirt. So what this means is if you use something like a grease, you can also apply it, but you'll need to clean off the dirt as it catches dirt more often than something like the finish line, which is an oil based. So let me open this up. So you can apply it, and then just do this for your four stanchions and your suspension on the back. Now, after it's all lubricated, you'll want to bring the wheel down, protect these gaskets, regularly clean them off, especially if you've taken this wheel off-roading. Just take a microfiber cloth and clean off all the dirt, all the gunk off it. So yeah, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions, and just I'll be there to help you answer them.